Ladies, I found your next pair of sneakers. You have to see these. Oh man, I've been waiting for these to come in. And if you're wondering, it's your man, Little Peso, and I'm not a sneakerhead. These sneakers are insane. You see the box, Nikes. Oh, yes, coming straight out of StockX. These are wild, not for the faint at heart. So if you like plain triple white sneakers, you can click off this video now. But if you have style, you have a little bit of flavor, these are for you. Let's check out the box real quick. So these are women Dunk Lows special edition, white light curry washed teal. These are insane. Ladies, you are absolutely gonna love it. We got all kinds of animal print. You got the cheetah on the back and the heel. You have, I believe, what this is, the light curry. This is the teal with the, I believe this is pony hair. White midsole with the black on the bottom. You already know I love that. Straight black outsole, beautiful. Tongue is white with black and a little hit of red. Oh wait, turn these over. Purple. Listen, red, black on the heel. These are absolutely amazing. Looking on the inside, again, we have the white, black, and red. Let's see what the other side looks. Oh, they switched up the pony hair. Even the back tab is different. This is the light curry on the back with the Nike, so you see the contrast here on the heel. Oh, they switched everything up. So you got purple and red around the laces. Toe box is white. You already had me at second pair of laces, so they're giving you the black laces. I don't know, it's probably the black I would probably prefer with these, but I think you can go crazy, do some interesting lace flips with these. These are your next pair of sneakers. Dunk Lows. These are gonna look beautiful with a lot of different things you have going on. Fellas, you need to get out of jail free card. Buy these. Let me know what you think in the comments.